We create a PowerShell script using Windows PowerShell ICE. To run a PowerShell script, you must have an execution policy that allows it. Press the Windows button on your keyboard and type PowerShell ICE, and then choose Windows PowerShell ICE 64-bit version. If your scripts are modifying folders and/or files where you need elevated permissions, you must choose to open Windows PowerShell ICE 64-bit version as administrator. To script, we need to use the script pane. Go to View and choose Show Script Pane. We create a script by typing some code and then saving the file with a proper name with the file ending .ps1 in a reasonable folder by either using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S or by clicking on File, Save As. It is wise to save all your scripts in the same folder, for instance in a folder you create that is called scripts, and to give the scripts names without any spaces, and to save them in folders with names without spaces. You have now created your first script. Execute the script by clicking on the green symbol at the top or by pressing F5 on your keyboard. You see that your script is finished running when a working directory is the last line in the console and it says completed in the bottom left corner.